A lot of you want to become IP lawyers but cannot figure out where to start. Maybe you have been applying for a lot of internships in IP law firms. You have even applied for jobs in IP law firms, but you are not getting the kind of response you expected. Where can you start learning about intellectual property law? What kind of skills do you have to learn? How do you build a track record so that you can actually get an interview with one of the IP law firms? If this is something you have been dealing with and you're really interested in a career in IP law, I am inviting you to our 3-day bootcamp. In fact, 3 evenings on Saturday, Sunday and Monday. You have to join us and we are going to take you through a journey so that you can understand exactly how you can become an IP lawyer step by step. How can you get a job in a good IP law firm? How can you even start your own IP law practice perhaps? And of course, what are the skills you have to learn? How do you have to build a track record? How do you have to even build a professional network so that you get the right opportunities? You have to register right now, and I am going to start sending you some really useful resources on your WhatsApp number so that you can join on Saturday evening fully ready to go and ready to seize the opportunity. See you in the bootcamp.